Hi everyone, I am Zara and you are watching my channel Techno Zara. Thanks for watching. So guys, today I am sharing with you a very different and very interesting website, very different project. It's called Polkasty and it's a NFT metaverse project, and they are preparing the release their NFT game in December. So we will discuss all the features, all the details about this project. So let's start the video, and before starting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can easily approach my upcoming videos. So it's a Polka City, the world's first 3D and AR NFT multi-chain platform and video game. Earn profits by owning virtual taxis, gas stations, and services. So it's a different website that you can easily buy assets. All NFT assets will be usable in game, while some of them will function as business and earn income in game. And here some features you can see here: exchanges, marketplace, bridge, and buy assets. Now a multi-chain Ethereum. And now we first of all check exchanges. Here you can see the interface of the exchanges. uh, you can find here all the sale, purchase, and the rates and all the details about this information about this website. Here you can see $1.79, and minus 2.8% is decreasing, and 0.00002938 BTC, and 2.5% decreasing, and 0.0040298 ETH, and 1.5% decreasing. Here is the market cap and 24 trading volume. All the details are available: circulating supply, total supply, and here you have the all chart, live chart. It's on its Uniswap live chart, PancakeSwap live chart, and Maxi Global, and other is Gate.io, BKEX, Gate.io, BitterX, and Uniswap. You can get all the information here. And next one is marketplace. So marketplace, here you can see marketplace is now multi-chain. Change MetaMask to the chain you want to browse NFT on. So you can easily exchange it, but you have to MetaMask wallet, and you should connect to them. ETH marketplace status is equal to live. BSC marketplace status is equal to live. And here is the make sure that MetaMask is connected. First of all, you have to connect it MetaMask. Next one is bridge. Polka City Bridge. The Polka City Bridge has been created to transfer your Polk from the Ethereum chain to the Binance chain. Currently on Ethereum to Binance transfers are enabled. Binance to Ethereum transfer will be coming soon. Sending to Binance chain, make sure your MetaMask is connected to the Ethereum mainnet. Minimum 50 Polk, maximum to 25,000 Polk. Minimum is 50 and maximum is 25,000. And here is the amount to send Polk balance maximum, and Ethereum Binance chain and cross chain, that all the details are available here. And buy assets. How to buy assets? Here we have Ethereum store, live Binance store, and featured assets. Here you can see airport, Polka plane, Akifi car, and Polka City AI, Pitbull, and Polka City AI tax collector. And new assets are Polka Etica and Polka Gym, Polka Jetpack, Lambo Event, Polka Royce, Classic Polka, Polka Canoe, Polka Chopper, Spy Drone, Polka Moto, and Polka Drop, Polka Truck, Art Gallery. Legacy assets, all legacy assets sold out, and it's sold out. Polka City Bank, Polka Billboard, Sports Stadium, Limo, and hot dog stand, Polka Lambo, and compact taxi, van taxi, gas station, electric station, car wash, hotel, restaurant, shopping center, disco, car rental, car repair, taxi drone, Amazix car, Polka e-bike, and skateboard, and barber shop, sedan taxi, compact SUV, Polka yacht, and vending machine. So these are all sold out. You can check out this. So now a multi-chain Ethereum. So it's a multi-chain Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, and I will tell you that I must tell you maximum supply is equal to total supply for Polk is 250 M. 250 million, and sales will begin at 9 p.m. UTC on November 9, and Tuesday will on Tuesday, and will be first come first serve basis. And Polka City CMO loving the NFT releases man and the growth in popularity of Polka City, and will take this project to another level. The land NFT will be sold in Polk's token. The base price will be $25,000 in Polk. So now we check out the roadmap. Here we have the roadmap. It's opening. It's yes, it's open now, and we check out the roadmap. First of all, you can check it. Q1 2021 project launch. During the project launch stage of Q1, we have built the DeFi NFT platform, completed the private sale in less than a minute, and released the customizable and 3D NFT asset. And Q2 2021 more services and exchanges. Q2 was very productive, and we are able to list in various exchanges, build special edition NFTs, and started with the Polka City token BSC integration. And Q3 2021 let's trade. Besides listening and in additional exchanges, in Q3 we built our own Polka City marketplace where citizens are to trade their asset. The Polka City profit sharing program was also launched as a tax collector NFT asset. And now we have Q4 2021 we are running. During this phase we expect to launch the first release of the Polka City 3D game. Think of it as the GTA of cryptocurrency. Initially, discos and art galleries will be the earning profit. Others will follow. Games within game will be able to provide citizen additional game inside Polka City to fulfill variety of interests. Q1 2022 we need more. In addition to the discos and art galleries, more PC NFTs will be added to the game and will start to earn profit. Polka City will have an additional neighboring city with skyscrapers and new assets. Polk ETH BNB lending launches. And Q2 2022, more to come. A new continent came out of nowhere. We discovered it and will be selling plots of land to inhabit it. New in-game development tools of citizens to create their own buildings and NFTs. And Q3 2022, more to come. The next one is tokenomics. We check out it, that what are their tokenomics. Here we have total supply. You can see 250 and 000 polk, and private sale 2500 and 000 polk. 1 ETH is equal to 20,000 polk. Pre-sale 7 and 500 000 polk. 1 ETH is equal to 15,000 polk. And Uniswap liquidity and exchange listing, it's 25 000 polk. And team, it's about 10 billion polk, 6 months lock, 5% monthly release after the lock period. Marketing 5 million polk and 1 million polk will be released from the beginning. 4 million polk will be locked and 5% released per month. Platform is 20 billion polk. 5 million polk will be released from the beginning with and 150 million polk locked and 25 million released every 3 months. Here you can see token sale, it's 10 million, team 10 million, and the marketing 5 million, platform 2 billion, and Uniswap liquidity, it's 25 million. Here we have the audits. It's not clickable. Let's see a small clip about the game. Here we have, look at this. Create your avatar, choose your gender, male or female, and then you can select the complexion, skin, body, hair color, everything you can select here. You can see here skin, selecting the skin and the body. You can see here the man is ready. It's the land of Polka City. So this way you can create your avatar. And now I show you the mini clip about the game. Look at this. First of all, you have to create your avatar, and then look at this. Now he is searching for a car or taxi or some. So he decided to select this car and he is on the way. And chat system, he is chatting to anyone. So he is searching on his way. And day and night cycle, it's time its time going on. So it's the mini clip about the game features, about when you can play on yourself, you can enjoy and earn profit through it. So it's very interesting game and very profitable. You will enjoy it, and you can easily buy the tokens from PancakeSwap and MetaMask. So you can easily purchase and uh, play this game. So it's very interesting and enjoyable. Hope you like the video. So till then, my next video. Take care. Bye.